What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we got a Lexus RX. This is a 350. The model is 2015, and we're gonna be replacing the rear shocks. Part number is the same for right and left. I'm using Monroe here, and 37. Is that a 37? 36361. That's the part number. Monroe. These are the better ones. They're about like 70 to 80 bucks each. But inside this, you will have a complete shock. Very simple to change. It has a bolt on the top and bolt on the bottom, and that's how simple it is. To replace this guy, bolts. So we got the wheel off. I did this, put this floor jack right here, and what we're gonna do next is we're gonna remove this bolt. You do need to support it. So this is, it looks like a number 17 or a 19, so I'm gonna match up the socket. So it would be best to clean it up a bit, but don't worry about it. If you need to, we're gonna bang out 1, 2, 3, and I usually do bang out these 3, and that way things come out easy. So make sure they're nice and clean. And down here you have one nut and bolt right there. That's all you need to remove, and we're gonna do it together. So let me clean this guy up. So we went and got a 17mm socket. It fits on all of these, and let's just clean this up a bit, because you don't want that dirt debris to get set between the threads as you turn it. Woo! Doesn't look good out here. Anyways, little bit of a WD-40. Pam 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 pam. I don't know what's the condition of the one in the bottom, but we're gonna spray this guy too. The camera might not see it, just spray it. And what we're gonna do is, since we already supported with the jack there, we're gonna take our socket here, switch it up on the impact, and check this out. Bam, bam. I'll find it. Let me just take it easy, because I don't want to be looking for 4 nuts, 3 nuts. Get it? 3 nuts. Only got 2 so far. And this plate will come off with the shock. So there you go, just like that. There's your nut on the other end. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go on the bottom next. So what we're gonna do next is put our camera right there. You stay there. We're gonna take off this nut and bolt. So you're gonna need a wrench from one side, and sometimes this bolt will get jammed over time. So you do need you need to heat it out or cut it out, get a new bolt. But that's how simple it is. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna get our camera out of here, and we got our shock sitting there, and it comes out just like that. Very easy to take out. The reason why we're taking out this is because it's making a noise. Okay, anyways, now the reversal procedure starts. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our new shock. You can't put it like that, all right? See that? It has to be like this. So let's just take this guy and let's just set it right here. And right down there, we're gonna just let it sit there for a second, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the bolt in there. It should be very simple for us to put the bolt through this and capture the nut from the other end. While we at it, we're gonna tighten the crap out of this, okay? So you can torque it, you can impact it however you like, but make sure it's not loose. That's that. We're gonna come back out, and we're gonna get our light. What we're gonna do next is, so next we're gonna get our bracket that I left down there. This little guy comes handy, and we're gonna put this on. We're gonna put the bolt right through. Seems like this bolt might not be the correct bolt. and that goes in. We're gonna take the 3 nuts, and I dropped one down there. So let me find that guy. Okay, where did it go? Okay, I gotta find the 3rd nut. Okay, right now we got everything attached. We can move our jack if you like. So we found all 3 nuts and bolts. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Bada bing, bada boom. That's how you're gonna change the shock on this baby. Simple and easy.